How to reset encrypted password on WhatsApp. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you forget your encrypted password on WhatsApp and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution how you can solve it. For this, first of all, you have to launch Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you launch Google Chrome on your mobile device, now in the search icon on the Google Chrome, now you have to search the very option of Support Center WhatsApp. Now after you tap Support Center WhatsApp, what will happen is that the next interface will appear. Now you have to tap on that. Now after you tap on WhatsApp Support Center, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is Contact WhatsApp. And after tapping on Contact WhatsApp, you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you can tap on your phone number on the top side. You can also tap on your email address here and confirm your email address in the down portion. After that, you have to tap on the option how do you use the WhatsApp, that may be your Android, iPhone, web and desktop, iOS or other. And after that, you can tap on the message that you are facing. You can write that you are facing the problem in regards to just the password on your WhatsApp, and after that you can just submit it, and when the very contact center or the developer of the WhatsApp will receive it, your problem will be solved within 24 hours. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.